Hello, my name is Kirk Wilson, the Club Ambassador. I'm the greeter for the upcoming LeTip of Dallas networking meeting for February 10th, 2021. The showboater for this week's meeting is Kelly Cabuzio of Multiprint and Digital. She will show you how branded products are great attention getters and will provide several options for all budgets. The spotlight speaker this week is Bart Delgado of Superior Carpet Cleaning. Bart will be talking about fire, water, or storm damage and restoration. He will address the importance of how to remove the water moisture in your home before it becomes a mold health related issue. He will also talk about the types of equipment used in cleaning up the damage, as well as how we restore them. We would like to have you join us via Zoom tomorrow. Request an invite from one of our members or in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching this video.